I think I was about 9 or 10 when the first bookshop opened, and my sister was probably about 7 or 8, so still behind the till in school holidays and stuff. We were always just surrounded by books and people who love books. I'm Hugh Topping, and I help run Topping Company Booksellers, which is an independent family-run bookshop. My parents have been in the book industry for ages, but we opened Topping Company in 2002. We've always admired Edinburgh's literary scene from our bookshop up in St Andrews. When we opened the Edinburgh bookshop, it felt like a good time to kind of review all our various systems. We started using the new Square terminal, and what we really like about it is that it's just really quick. It's much faster than our old machines. It's just really easy to use and straightforward, and we really like the fact that we can use it in the bookshop, but then when we have an event, we can just take it outside and connect it to any Wi-Fi network. We get a lot of comments about how snazzy it looks, and it's great that they can just tap and go. Bookshops are at the sort of heart of a community, and so that's the most important thing, that people feel at home when they come here, and they can come and book lovers can browse and give them a pot of tea and coffee, and chatting to readers and supporters is just the best bit of being a bookseller.